In this video, we're going to show you how to vacuum your in-ground pool. When preparing to vacuum the pool, always start by cleaning out the skimmer basket. As you can see in this example, the basket may need to be replaced. After the skimmer basket has been emptied, drop the skimmer basket back in. This unit is called a skim vac or vac plate. When the pump is running, this unit will be held down by the suction power of the filter, which is pulling water from the pool and creating a strong seal. The pump works by the turning of an impeller that pulls water from the pool towards the filter, replacing air with water. In normal operations, 50% of the water is pulled from the drain and 50% is pulled from the skimmer. However, when you're vacuuming, you want to pull all of your water from the skimmer. If you don't do this, you're not going to get 100% of the suction from the skimmer. To do this, you need to turn the valve to 100% skimmer, blocking any water from the drain, as shown here. In other words, we are isolating the skimmer by putting the main drain in the off position. The next step is to start the pool with the multi-port valve in the filter position. In this example, we have a variable speed pump. If your pump is not a variable speed pump, all you need to do is turn off the pump, put the multi-port valve into filter, and then turn the filter back on. While this is happening, the filter will also be priming, where the air is replaced with water. Now we are ready to bleed the vacuum hose. Cover the return with the skim vac. This will push the air out, as you can see by the bubbles escaping from the vacuum head. Then take the vacuum plate and place it over the skimmer basket. The vacuum plate will now be sealed from the suction of the pump. Now that this step has been completed, you can start to vacuum your pool. When finished vacuuming, shut the pump off. Keeping the pump off, remove the vacuum plate and remove your skimmer basket, emptying what you have vacuumed. Reinsert the skimmer basket and cover. Also remove the pole, hose, and vacuum head while draining any water, and carefully coil the hose. Put the valve back into the 50-50 position to pull water from the skimmer and drain for normal operation. Turn the pump back on and hit start. If you have any leaves on the top of the water, now is a good time to use a leaf basket to remove them, as they will soon fall to the bottom of the pool. Thanks for watching.